Did you know there's a sedan under 20 lakh rupees that offers features you'd usually find in cars priced above 40 lakh rupees? And here's the kicker, it even includes advanced tech that might surprise you. Curious? Let's uncover the best options for you. Let's kick things off with a classic, the Honda City. It's not just reliable, it's iconic. With its refined 1.5-liter IV-Tech engine, it's built for smooth drives and efficient fuel consumption. But here's something you might not know. It now comes with Alexa-enabled voice commands. Yes, you can control your car with your voice. How cool is that? Next, we have the Skoda Slavia. If you're a fan of European luxury, this sedan is for you. It has the largest boot space in its class, making it perfect for family getaways or shopping sprees. And let's not forget its robust 1.5-liter TSI engine, which ensures every drive feels powerful yet refined. Moving on, the Hyundai Verna is all about tech and convenience. Its ventilated seats are perfect for Indian summers, and its hands-free smart trunk makes life easier when your hands are full. Imagine walking to your car with groceries and the trunk opens automatically. Now, that's premium convenience at a budget price. For those who prioritize practicality, the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz is a solid choice. Its hybrid technology ensures unmatched fuel efficiency while being eco-friendly. And here's a bonus, it has one of the lowest maintenance costs in the segment, making it a wallet-friendly option in the long run. Now, let's talk about a hidden gem, the Toyota Yaris. Rumor has it, the upcoming model could include Toyota's advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. These features are usually reserved for premium cars, but Toyota might just bring them to this segment. If performance is what you're after, look no further than the Volkswagen Virtus. Its DSG transmission offers a thrilling drive, and here's an unexpected perk, it has one of the quietest cabins in this class, giving you a serene driving experience even in city traffic. Safety is a priority, and Skoda Slavia and Volkswagen Virtus take the lead with 6 airbags as standard. That's not all, both cars also come with robust build quality that ensures peace of mind on every journey. When it comes to interiors, Honda City's leather upholstery exudes luxury, while Hyundai Verna's ambient lighting adds a modern, tech-savvy vibe. It's all about finding what suits your style best. Looking at fuel efficiency, the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz once again leads the pack with an impressive mileage of over 20 km per liter. Combine that with its spacious interiors, and you've got a sedan that's as practical as it is stylish. Now here's something most buyers don't consider: resale value. Both the Honda City and Toyota Yaris hold their value exceptionally well, making them smart choices if you plan to upgrade a few years down the line. For tech enthusiasts, Hyundai Verna steals the show with its BlueLink app, which lets you control key features of your car from your phone. Imagine starting your car on a hot day without even stepping outside. So, which sedan is the best value for money? That depends on what you prioritize. The Skoda Slavia and Maruti Suzuki Ciaz offer excellent value, one with premium features and the other with incredible efficiency and affordability. Choosing a sedan under 20 lakh rupees doesn't mean compromising. Whether it's the Honda City's reliability, the Hyundai Verna's tech-forward features, or the Skoda Slavia's European finesse, there's something here for everyone. Which one do you think fits your style and needs? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such insights. And hey, stay tuned, next week, we are exploring the best SUVs under 20 lakh rupees. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.